What steps should I follow to connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without remote access?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to connect a Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. This is a handy skill, especially if you've misplaced your remote or its batteries are out.
What do you need?
To connect your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a remote, you will need 1. A Vizio TV that has a built-in control panel or buttons on the TV itself. 2. An active Wi-Fi connection. Please ensure that you know the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password.
Locating the built-in controls.
Most Vizio TVs come with a set of built-in buttons, usually located at the side or bottom of the TV. These buttons include the power button, volume controls, input button, and menu button. 1. Power on your TV using the physical button on the TV. 2. Look for the menu button on your TV and press it.
Navigating the menu without a remote.
Navigating the menu without a remote might be a bit tricky, but it's totally doable. Here are the steps. 1. Use the volume buttons to navigate the menu. The volume up button typically allows you to navigate up, while the volume down button lets you navigate down. 2. To select an option, you usually use the input or channel button, but this might vary depending on the model.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Here's how to connect your TV to your Wi-Fi. 1. Navigate to the settings menu. 2. Choose the network option. 3. Select Wi-Fi or wireless network. 4. Choose your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and enter your password when prompted. Use the volume buttons to navigate through the alphabet and the input or channel button to select letters or numbers. 5. After entering your password, select Connect. Your TV should now be connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's how you connect a Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. Hopefully, you found this guide useful. Remember, losing your remote isn't the end of the world. You can still enjoy your favorite shows and movies with these easy steps. Thanks for watching.